morning. This is Dr. Zain Agha from forexmentoringprogram.com. Today we are going to build a very powerful forex trading system, and with your help we will create a very strong and a profitable forex trading system. Now in the section below comments, please do place your comments so that we will try to build it stronger and stronger. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when we put in the second part of this. Now this is going to be the first part, and subsequently we will add more and more parts to it and keep it making stronger and stronger. Now here is a GBP USD 1 hour time frame chart. And then go to properties and turn the bar down as red, the bull candle as lime, and the bear candle as red, and then click OK. Now here you got the candles, the green candles showing the market is going up, and the red candles showing the market is going down. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put some moving averages. The first moving average we're going to put in is going to be the 5-period exponential close, and we're going to change the color to red. Exponential close, change the color to red, and then click OK. Now here we have, now the next moving average we're going to place is the period 10 exponential close, and color it as aqua. Here it is, right? Okay, now how are we going to trade? Now what we're going to do, when you get the red line going above the blue line, that's giving you a signal to go long. And when you're getting the, here you're getting signal to go long, and when you're getting the red line going below the blue, you're getting a sell signal. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to place a line where we at the intersection of the blue line, red line going above the blue, and at the open of the next candle we will go long. Now we cannot go long straight away because the candles are not above the moving averages. We will just enter here at the open of the new candle at 1.2 something, can't read from here. Anyway, so we're going to enter here, and then we're going to place a stop loss 5 pips below the last low. So the last low was, now we're going to measure. Measure it so we get 39 pips profit. So we'll take a notepad and write down the pair we were trading was the GBP USD, and the date is the, first we put the date and the profit, and then underneath we'll put the date as the 10th of July, and the profit was, first profit was 41 pips. And the second profit was 39 pips. So we write down here 41 pips and 39 pips on the same day, July the 12th. July the 10th, profit was 39 pips. Now, since we are getting a sell signal here, we are going to place our sell order at the open of this new candle, and we are going to place our stop loss at 5 pips above the most recent high. Now let's see what are we risking. Okay, now the market, instead of going down, it's started going back up. So this is the intersection of the red and blue line. So we're going to exit here at this point, and we will lose 18 pips. This is it. See, we lose 18 pips. This is our loss. So we write down here on the 12th of July, minus 18 pips. Now we're going to take our long trade here at the open of the next candle, and we're going to place a stop loss 5 pips below the last low, and we check what we are risking. We are risking 35 pips, so we will place a take profit at 35 pips, which we get it here. We write down here 12th of July, and the profit is 35 pips. Okay, we go to the next trade. Here we get a signal to go short here. So profit is 15 pips now trade. Here the moving average has gone down below the aqua, so we enter short at the open of next candle, and we put our stop loss here about 5 pips above the high. And then we measure is 25 pips. So we get take profit of 25 pips here on this candle, and then we continue with our trade. continue until we see our exit signal going down and down and down. This way, here we get one exit signal here, because the red line just crossed the blue line and gone up. So at the close of that green candle, we are going to exit and take our profit. So the profit was 135 pips. Okay. So you see the profit is 135 pips. 17th of July, profit is 135 pips. Now we're getting a buy signal here, here, and then we place our stop loss of this candle, 5 pips below this candle. So this is our entry. Now we are risking 44 pips and take profit, and the market is still going up. First with 44 pips take profit, and then the market is still going. If we check where we are now, it's a profit of 113 pips. So it's 113 pips. The total is 429 pips. The total profit is 429 pips. Now this is, so far, it's a very good system. We had only one negative trade with a small loss, but the rest of them were good, with good profits. Now just the moving average on its own is not enough. We need other indicators for confirmation of the trade. So in next part, in part 2, I will show you the other indicator that I'm going to put in. Okay, take care and bye-bye.